Imagine waking up and finding your bank account is locked because you exceeded your weekly carbon limit. Or your money has an expiration date. It sounds like a dystopian movie. But in February 2026, it's becoming the new American reality. While you were distracted, the infrastructure for the digital dollar, the CBDC, was quietly completed. This isn't just digital money, like your credit card. It's a tool for total surveillance. Today, on Wealth Blueprint, we go behind the curtain of Project Sentinel and the Genius Act to show you how the death of cash is being engineered and how you can still protect your freedom. For years, they told us cash was dirty and inconvenient. But the truth is, cash is the last frontier of privacy. When you pay with a $20 bill, no one knows what you bought or where you were. But in 2026, the push for a cashless society has reached an inflection point. Major banks are closing ATMs at record speeds, and the new FedNow system is processing transactions in milliseconds. They call it efficiency. I call it a digital leash. Once physical cash is gone, your financial life becomes a series of permissions, not rights. Here's the part they don't want you to know. Programmable money. Under the new digital dollar framework, the government can technically decide what you're allowed to buy. Want to buy extra fuel? The I might say, limit reached. Want to support a cause they don't like? Your transaction could be declined by an algorithm. We already saw the IRS launch Sentinel to track every $600 transaction. Now, combine that with a currency that the central bank can turn off with a single line of code. This is the ultimate wealth trap, a system where your savings are no longer yours, but a digital credit granted by the state. So, how do you stay off the radar in a 100% digital world? First, you must own unprogrammable assets. Physical gold and silver are the only currencies that haven't failed in 5,000 years. Second, look into decentralized finance and privacy-focused assets that don't rely on the central banking grid. Third, maintain a hybrid lifestyle. Use cash wherever it's still accepted to keep the demand alive. In 2026, privacy is a choice you have to make every single day. If you don't control your money, someone else will. The system is evolving to track you, but Wealth Blueprint is here to keep you free. We are entering the great reset of the financial world. Don't wait for the bank doors to close before you start caring about your privacy. Hit that subscribe button, join our community, and let's build a future where your wealth stays in your hands. Stay sharp, stay wealthy. I'll see you in the next blueprint.